All right, your next systems con is systems of equation with elimination. This one looks to be a pretty simple elimination. I think we'll get more difficult than this one. But here's what I mean by that. If you look at these two equations right here, you will notice, or you should notice pretty quickly, this one has a negative 9x, this one has a positive 9x. So all I have to do is add the two equations and my x's will eliminate each other. Okay, so and that's the point of elimination, is to get one variable or the other one to eliminate each other, because then it's pretty simple. As soon as you're down here at negative 16y equals 160, divide both sides by negative 16 and you get y equals negative 10. Pretty simple. Then if we go back here to the top equation and we plug in what y equals, negative 10, so as we plug that in here, negative 6 times negative 10 is positive 60. We would subtract 60 from both sides and we get negative 45. We then divide both sides by negative 9 and we get x equals 5. And there's our second answer. Let's do one more. Okay, again, looking for a variable that will eliminate. You should fairly quickly notice that the y's, we have a positive 2y and a negative 2y. They will eliminate each other. So let's eliminate them. And our x's, 13x plus 5x is 18x. And 1 plus negative 19 is negative 18. Divide both sides by 18 and we get x equals to negative 1. Pretty simple. We'll then take the top equation. We will plug in our x value of negative 1 right up there. And negative 1 times 13 is negative 13. We will then add 13 to both sides and we get 2y equals 14. We will then divide both sides by 2 and we get y equals 7. It's just that simple. Shouldn't take you forever on this one. Not the hardest yet. We're still working our way up to that. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.